Have you ever found yourself dreading the weekends because you know you have to mow your lawn? The constant push of the mower, the tangled mess of the cord, and the endless worry about damaging the landscaping. Well, I've got the solution for you: the Segway Navimow X450 robot lawn mower. Link is in the description if you want to check the latest price on Amazon, but trust me, this thing is worth every penny. I've been using the Navimow X450 for a few weeks now, and I gotta say, it's been a total game changer. Not only does it cut my lawn perfectly, but it does it with so much ease and efficiency. The zero-turn steering is pure genius. It allows the mower to navigate even the toughest terrain without leaving any unsightly marks or ruining the grass. Plus, I can program it to start and stop on its own, no need to keep an eye on the clock or worry about someone bumping it. One less thing to stress about. One of my favorite things about this robot mower is how easy it is to set up and use. It basically takes care of itself, adjusting to different grass types and even adapting to varying terrain. With its intelligent control system and advanced sensors, it can detect obstacles and know exactly where it needs to go. In my case, I've got a pretty large yard, around 1.5 acres, and the Navimow has no problem handling it. Another huge benefit is the efficiency of the momentum cutting system. It uses two powerful motors to get the job done quickly and quietly, without creating a mess or damaging my lawn. Plus, the adjustable cutting height makes it easy to tailor the perfect cut for the season. And since there's no cord to worry about, I can let my kids, or dogs, play outside without risk of an accident. The all-wheel drive feature is also worth noting. It lets me know that even in the harshest weather, this thing can keep going without a hitch. And if you're an outdoor enthusiast like me, the 84% slope handling makes it perfect for uneven terrain. No more worrying about your mower getting stuck on a hill. As with any product, I do want to mention a few potential drawbacks. There is a learning curve when it comes to programming and customizing the Navimow, but after a few times using it, you'll get the hang of it. And of course, with any robot, there's a potential for it to get stuck or get damaged if you don't set up the boundary wires correctly. But Segway has made those steps pretty clear, and once set up, it runs without a hitch. Overall, I highly recommend the Segway Navimow X450 robot lawn mower to anyone looking to make their lawn mowing routine a whole lot easier. And if you are, link is in the description below, so go check it out and see what other reviewers have to say.